Mrs. P and I are out hiking today, looking at waterfalls. Hey, Mrs. P. It's getting pretty cold out here. So now it's starting to snow.
It's snowing. Does it look like an angel?
I don't think it looks like an angel. So here's the road we're driving on. It's kind of dangerous. It looks like a little bit of snow, but there's ice underneath it. That's not any good. We're at a place called Sawmill Gap. If anybody knows where that is at, make sure to put it in the comments so we know how to get home. All right, so
She's wearing a dress.
Anna made a snow woman. It's pretty big. Not that big.
So mean.